Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today's special mango jelly. Today I'm going to share two different ways to prepare. One is market style and another one is cooked version. Take the mangoes, peel the skin and cut into pieces. You can use any variety of mango as per your wish. After cutting, blend the mango pieces into a paste. Take 500 grams of blended pulp and add 250 grams of powdered sugar. Sugar quantity may vary depending on the mango sweetness. Divide this mixture into two equal parts. Apply ghee or oil to a plate and pour one part. Shake the plate to level the pulp. Take thick bottom pan or saucepan. Pour second part in it and boil till water evaporates. After all the water evaporates, our pulp thickens and looks like this. Apply ghee or oil to a plate and transfer the boiled pulp. For Desi Ghee recipe, check the link in description below. Dry both the mixtures under the sun for 2 days. If jelly is still soft and moist, dry it till it hardens. Cover with muslin cloth or cheesecloth to avoid any dust and birds attack. You can use plastic as well, but jelly will catch moisture. After 2 days, our jelly is ready. Left side one is uncooked market style version. Right side is cooked version. In taste comparison, uncooked market style version is the best. It has good mango flavor and delicious. Cooked version is softer and jelly type but loses some mango flavor. Try it yourself and comment below which one you like. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.